This is a reply to a comment made on the video titled Secrets on Diversifying Your Stock Portfolio. The comment is, sensible strategy. There are ETFs available that give diversification and the desired characteristics such as high dividends. Are these maybe best for beginners? And please excuse me while I make the first part of this video response an opportunity to teach people, because not everyone knows what an ETF is. So I'd like most people, more people to get as much as they can out of this video. An ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Much like a mutual fund, ETFs are also a professionally managed set of collective investments that collects money from multiple investors like you and I buying into a mutual fund, and puts our money collectively into stocks, bonds, and short-term money market accounts and various other securities depending on which mutual fund. ETFs have dividends as high as many mutual funds, which is very cool. Unlike mutual funds, ETFs can be traded just like stocks and bonds on the open market. Instead of stock, think creation unit. And creation units are bought and sold daily, just like stocks. So basically you're buying and selling little pieces of a mutual fund. So in your mind, combine the security of mutual funds, the high dividends of mutual funds, and the flexibility of stocks. That's an exchange-traded fund. They are excellent. Yes, they are great for beginners, and I do suggest you go get them. They really are great. They're safe. They make a lot of money, and they're very flexible. However, individual stocks can earn way more when you get to the point where you can invest in stocks that earn at that level. Which you should have a little experience under your belt before you do. And ETFs do lack the thrill of singling out companies to invest in. It's more of a, I guess you could say, a pre-planned stock strategy, and you just get as much stock or hold on to it for as long as you want to or can or whatnot. The risk portion and the research portion of singling out a company is not there, and for many people, that's a part of the attraction of stocks. It's fun, and can call me crazy, but I do occasionally enjoy the feeling of company loyalty. When it's a company I can really believe in. Sometimes I invest in stocks just because it'll make money, and sometimes I invest in a company and I really like that company and I enjoy being loyal to that company. Do both, absolutely. It is a way beginners can feel safe and secure and learn to trade on the open market at the same time. But realize it's not a huge leap to go to individual stocks either. It's not like it's really that risky of a move to buy and sell single stocks when you do the correct research and whatnot. Start with some big blue chip stocks. Those aren't very risky, generally speaking.